Hello, I'm Brigitte from Do You Speak French? I'm going to help you today with pronouncing the letter U in French because it's a little tricky. So we're going to start from the O position. O. I want you to be aware of your lips and your tongue when you're trying to say O, a straight O. O, not O, O. And then starting from there, I want you to say ooh, ooh. It feels more in the back of my throat, of my mouth, when I'm saying ooh, O, ooh. And to pronounce the French U, we're going to go forward to the front of the mouth and the lips a little tighter. O, U, U. O, U. Well, I hope this explanation is going to help you. So we'll see you soon for the rest of the letters. Bye.